Okay, today we work on this jack. So we're gonna change the gearbox. So most of the bolts is out, draining now the oil. It's a big job. So a lot of bolts have to go out, but we'll see. Other way, nice car. Okay, carter, gearbox carter is out. That's how it is. It's not bad. It's just the car don't want to shift gears. It's only still on one gear. So that's how it looks on the next step. Gearbox out. We'll see. Okay, the old box is out. One of the gears is not switching, so that's why we change it. This is the old converter. I think it's okay, it will work. And the new gearbox is already from the it's been fully rebuilt 1000 miles. I bought it second hand. Let's see, hope it will work. So that's the process pretty much to install gearbox in homemade conditions outside. I'll keep you updated. Задна работи. Давай първа.
Свободна.
Добре, свободно.
Първа. Бро.
Добре, работи. Готови сме.
Втора.
Работи.
Драйв.
Работи. Това е. Това е за път.